Okay, just had to take a picture, so I paused the video, so this is part 2 now. Okay, I had to stop the video and start a new one, because I had to take a picture, marketing, not gonna buy it. Alright, back to this. Going through the gate.
That was Skyride, but they're no longer in the building.
Oh, so it didn't matter.
Oh, okay, so
No, you're fine. Yeah, they
Told me it was awesome. Wait.
They left the building in January. They're no longer in business.
Okay, thank you.
very well decorated. Oh no, a line. That's not good.
Wow, we're here.
And there are the elevators, the super speed.
Hold on, ma'am. VIP.
Oh, VIP.
I need you to stay in the middle, please. No problem. I can take you. One moment. Are you
Okay, so now we're at the elevators, about to go up.
Not VIPs.
Stroll out.
VIPs are going in right now. It's cool. Excited. We're about to go up to the very top, 102.
No, 86.
Just 86?
Then we go up.
Then we go up. So we're going up to the 86th floor, then the 102nd floor. It's gonna be awesome. We're at the front of the line right now. No one in front of us. Alright, we're going right now.
Stay on your left side through the middle lane. Thank you. Welcome back. Got you.
The elevator. Look at all those buttons.
Well, we're at 86.
Yeah, pretty much.
I'm gonna stop it here.
Alrighty.
And at the top, I'm gonna resume it. Okay, bye.
You hit it.